My name is Pooja and this is my project RFID based door lock system using 8051. So RFID stands for radio frequency identification. So it is a wireless communication technology working on radio frequency or a radio waves. So this technology is used to automatically identifying the object or tracking the object. Like authorized people are provided with a unique tag, 12 digit pins using which they can access that area. After recognition, it allows a person. Okay, so main component of my projects is 889C51 microcontroller, EM18 module. This is RFID module, 16 into 2 LCD display, RFID card, DC motor and motor driver. Okay, so here I am using this 8051 microcontroller, then RFID module and RFID tag. So RFID tag is a microchip, contains identifying the information and an antenna that transmit this data wirelessly to the reader. Okay, so this is a 16 into 2 LCD display is used in this project to display the details of the card. The data pins of LCD are connected to the port and this is the tag, like RFID reader used to read the information stored in the tags or transmit the information to the microcontroller. It consists of antenna, emits the radio waves so that RFID tag can respond to it by sending back their information. But here I am not using this, I am using virtual terminal. So this is the program. This is the program. Here this is the program. So initially I declared the port 1 to LCD data pins and control pins RS and E to P2 of 6 and P2 of 7, and we use P2 of 0 and P2 of 1 for motor drivers. Then RX and TX pins on the port 3. Then void LCD data and LCD command function I am using to display the string. Okay, now LCD in it is a function used to initialize the LCD string function is used to pass the text on the screen, and serial init is used to initiate the serial communication between RFID and microcontroller. And I am using the RFID array to store the 12 digit number, card number. So this is the main function. Initially motor means door is closed, then I will initiate the serial communication, then LCD in it, and I will pass this string welcome door lock system. In while I am passing this 12 digit pin. So here I am using for loop. So this is the void check function. So this function I'm using to compare the string. Here compare the entered password or ID with the stored unique ID. If this ID is correct, then P2 of 0 pin is high and P2 of 1 pin low to open the door. So if this password is matched or this pin is matched during this time, the display and identify the person name, Now door will open and allow inside person, and it will display on the LCD. So here I am using if else. After some time delay, P2 of 0 is low and P2 of 1 is high to close the door, and after this display it will display door closing on the LCD. So hence, so in this way data is stored with the person details. If this ID is wrong, then it will display outside person, no entry for you on the LCD. And this is the delay function I am using. And now this I will show you the output on Proteus. So this is the connection of my project, and this is a virtual terminal. So I will show you output. So it will display welcome and door lock system. Now swipe your card. After that I will enter the 12-digit number. So this is not the correct thing, so it will show outside person, no entry for you. And if I so this is the Proteus connection, so it will start. So it will show welcome. Now swipe your card, and this is the virtual terminal. So here I am entering 12-digit password or PIN. So it will show the person name 3, door is opening, allow inside. After some time delay, it will close again. And ask swipe your card. So now I am entering the wrong password. So it will show outside person, no entry for you. So this is all about my project. Thanks for watching.